Last two categories, which are the big prizes. The first prize goes for what we've been speaking of during all the day, the Sustainable Renovation Grand Prize. To present this category, two presenters, Mr. Christian Bodag, as President of Construction 21, and Cedric Anbergen, which is a business developer at B-Solution. Thank you.
Yes, I will be very short. I just replace Rabot du Tilleul, which is one of our sponsors since the beginning, and they cannot attend this meeting, so I just take the place but not replace him. Thank you.
Okay. Cedric.
Thank you, Cedric. So nice to be here tonight. I'm from B-Solutions, which is an integrated engineering office, and we were lucky last year to win the Sustainable Grand Prize 2017, which was an honor and which was showing for the own building we made and the own building we were living in and we are living in. So member of the jury, I was asked this year to come and to present the Renovation Grand Prize. So the Renovation Grand Prize rewards renovations and complete refurbishments for all types of buildings. Beyond improving energy performance, renovations also improve user comfort and develop initiative replicable solutions in many countries. This year, the international jury had to choose between 5 very interesting projects coming from France, from Greece, from Spain, from Belgium and China. 3 of them caught the eye of the jury. Coming third, the project is a heavy renovation of an office building located in Brussels. At the end of the project, the building achieves the nearly zero energy buildings through renewable production and will obtain BREEAM's excellent certification. The building's proximity to the European Parliament can send a strong message to decision makers about the necessity to renovate our buildings. Congratulations to Béliard 65.
Congratulations. Béliard 65 in the room.
Coming second, built in 1978, this multi-family building is located in the historic center of Girona, Spain. In a dense German fabric, the heating and cooling system features radiant panels supported by a battery, including in a double-flow mechanical ventilation system with heat recovery. According to the jury, Carrer Nou is an excellent example of rehabilitation for an existing historical building.
Carrer Nou, España. Are they in the room? They are not. So let's go for the first prize.
All right. The international winner now. Voted unanimously by the jury, this renovation responds perfectly to the problems encountered by office buildings built during the 70s. Before thermal and energy regulations. A complete approach has been used to make this renovation the first tertiary positive energy renovation, all energy use included. Bio-based or recycled materials, self-consumption photovoltaic, storage battery, connected services, vegetable garden on the roof. All of those innovative solutions contribute to the global performance of this very exceptional building. This year, our international winner for the Sustainable Renovation Grand Prize is Eco-Rénovation of KTR France headquarters.
Eco-Rénovation, please on stage. Positive building, recycled material. This is the best renovation for the last year.
Nous sommes chez KTR France à Lyon. Il s'agit d'une éco-rénovation. À l'origine, nous étions dans un bâtiment des années 70 qui était voué à la destruction, ou qui aurait pu l'être. C'est un bâtiment en tôle. Nous avons fait de ce bâtiment un bâtiment exemplaire, tant du point de vue écologique, social qu'économique. C'est un bâtiment dans lequel on travaille dans les meilleures conditions et surtout qui a du sens dans un monde où on est en train d'oublier que la Terre, nous en avons besoin, et tous besoin.
Words for the winner. Pick up a mic.
It's very difficult for me. You begin?
No, just
Okay. Sorry for my funny English, but I try. Yeah? The stakes of renovation are considerable. Acting, it's too difficult. Acting in the same time on building, people, on nature is what we have done at KTR. Beyond transforming a 70s thermal strainer into a positive energy building on low carbon, the KTR project has changes use. Those who participated in its design on construction, and today those who live in the premises. Technology will not be able to solve everything. We are the actor of our common future. In Poland, we said, dziękuję.
Oh, congratulations. And congratulations for your Polish. Was perfect.
I am the user of the building, so just a few words of it. At the beginning, we want to renovate this building with value like innovation, autonomy, and a long-term view. But at the end, the building changed the people inside, living in this building. We are not only working in this building, we are really now living in this building. So I see the relation of the people working there changing, and also the behavior. And this is for me the biggest success of this building too.